Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your user education with KnowBe4, complete guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will explore how to upgrade your user education using KnowBe4. Begin by visiting the KnowBe4 website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features available. Click on the Security Awareness Training section. Explore the various training modules offered. Select a module that best fits your organization's needs. Customize the training content to align with your company's policies. Set the training schedule for your users. Use the reporting tools to monitor participation and progress. Ensure that you provide resources for ongoing learning. Consider implementing phishing simulations to reinforce training. Gather feedback from users after training sessions to improve future content. Regularly update the training materials to keep them relevant. Engage with the KnowBe4 community for additional tips and resources. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your user education with KnowBe4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.